Welcome, welcome back to part three of the dividing and multiplying fractions. We're just gonna finish out the worksheet that we've been working on for the previous two parts, and we're gonna get started. Let's finish strong. So first question, reduce to lowest terms 72 over 192. So there's a couple of ways you can attack this. So what I would do just to without having to use a calculator or anything. Just know that I know off the top of my head that both of these numbers go into three, right? Because, like we said in the previous video, you add up all the digits, and then you add up all the digits, and if the sum of the digits equal a number divisible by three, then you can divide it by three. So 72 divided by three is 24, right? Three, bless you. Three divided by 192. So let's see, we got three goes into 19 six times. One, two, three goes into 12 four times, right? So 12, 0. So 24 over 64. Both of these are even numbers, right? But a number that instantly pops into my head is what? Eight, right? 24 goes into uh eight. How many times? Three times. 24 goes into 64, eight times. All right. So that's that problem. Okay. And that was pretty solid, right? So 72 over 192, lowest terms 3 over 8. All right, and that's our answer. Find the area of the triangle below. Okay. So area of a triangle, which is area of a triangle equals, I'll give you time to find your reference sheet. 1 over 2, 1/2 base times height. Okay. So let's see what the problem gives us. So we bring down our 1/2 base. Let's see, 26 over 7. Our height, 6. Okay. And then we just multiply across, right? So what we can do is we can do 6 times 1/2, right? So 6 times 1/2 is 6 over 2, and then times 26 over 7. 6 divided by 2 is what? Correct. 3. So now all we're left with is 3 times 26 over 7, okay, which equals 26 times 3. Let's do some multiplication. 26 times 3, 6 times 3, 18. 3 times 2, 6, plus 1 is 7. 78. All right, 78, 7 feet. Area, so what's that? Feet squared. So 78 over 7 feet squared. Does it ask for a whole number? Yeah, just find the area. So, and then if you want to just do the extra step and uh, divide it and just make it a whole number. 1, 7, 0, and then bring down the 8. 8 goes into 7 one time, 7, and then 1. So 11 and 1/7 feet. Or, and then that also equals 11 and 1/7 feet squared. Right? So once you find your remainder, take that remainder as your numerator, and then the number you're dividing by as your denominator, which is 7. Okay. All right. That's that. All right. And then we got one more. So, what is the quotient of 4 over 5 and the product of 2 over 3 and 6 over 7? Right? So, basically, what the question is asking is 4 over 5, the quotient. And when you hear quotient, that's the answer to division, right? So, we're going to take that 2 over 3, and then the product, which is multiplication, right? So 2 over 3, 6 over 7, 4 over 5, divided by, and then what we got? 2 times 6, right? Multiplying fractions, numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator. 2 times 6, which is 12, and then over 21, which equals, all right, and then we can transfer this over, right, because it's 4 over 5 times, keep change flip, 21 over 12, right? So we can kind of cross divide, kind of cross simplify these, right? So it's 1, and then 4 and 12 both go into 4. 4 goes into 4 one time, 12 goes into 4 three times, right? So that's the new number. And then we got 21, and then 5 times 3, 15. Both numbers go into correct 3. So we got 21 divided by 3, 7. 15 divided by 3, 5. That's our final answer. All right. So yeah, leave it in comments if you have any questions about any of the 3 parts. Comment under each video and subscribe. All right. See you in the next video.